everyone, and welcome from Extraordinary Adventures. My name is Laura.
I'm Scott.
And this is our fabulous butler, Zoran.
Thank you, everybody.
And we wanted to do a quick room tour, so thank you very much. We're going to head on in. We are in room 503. Perfect.
Okay. Nope. We're going to do this first.
Yes, so to enter, you want to put this in here that'll turn the lights on.
Which we've seen before.
Yes, and there are two buttons here. The top one here is do not disturb, and the bottom one is make up room.
So that turns that red. Go ahead, hit the other one. Turns that blue, and then you hit it again and turn it off.
Okay. There we go. Okay, come on in, Scott.
All right.
Hey everyone, this is Laura here from Extraordinary Adventures, your cruise experts. Are you looking to book a cruise? Do you have questions? Are you overwhelmed? We are here to help. We don't charge a fee to book and manage your cruise. Plus, if you do book with us, we offer expert planning advice. Please do reach out to us. We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. Perfect.
All right.
So, as I mentioned, we're in 503, which is a Grand Deluxe Veranda suite. And boy, is this grand.
It's sweet.
It's 430 square feet. Every room on this ship is a suite. There are no regular staterooms. And we are on board the Scenic Eclipse II, which is an ice-strengthened expedition mega yacht. So this room here is gorgeous.
And like she said, the space, right?
Yeah.
They use a phrase. They call it, it's a little corny when you hear it at first. They call their ships spaceships.
Yes.
And at first I'm like, what is this? What they mean by it. It's a little corny. It is a little play on sci-fi. But it means that everything is so spacious. The amount of space that each guest gets per guest is bigger than the industry standard.
Yes.
The more service you get, the staterooms, everything. It's spacious, and that's part of what makes them a luxury line, is the space.
Yes. And like you met our butler,
Zara.
every room comes with a butler.
And his sidekick.
Yes,
like
a steward or a stewardess to clean the rooms. So you have two people who can assist you, and it's amazing. Yes. But enough, let's go show them the room, okay?
Start with the bathroom, start with the closet.
Yeah, we'll start with the bathroom.
Everybody loves the bathroom.
Okay.
Oh, and right here, by the way, is your just your
temperature control.
Nothing too fancy. And they will put it on Fahrenheit or Celsius for you, which is cool for our international travelers.
Okay.
Our international, we do have some Canadians, which Brits, they don't all use Fahrenheit, right?
Welcome to this very large bathroom. It's very nice.
Spacious.
Very spacious.
Lots of room.
So we're gonna open this up here, and you have lots of different things. You have the wand.
Everybody's favorite,
the rain shower
for the nether regions.
You have your grab bar in case the
poop bar.
The weather is rocking and you need to hold on. You have different soaps there. They're all Espa products. Yes. So we have one really interestingly modern sink, but it's quite large. Yeah. So we really like that a lot. And then really interesting, the vanity opens up for more storage and
Put your outlets here.
Yeah. And then
I'll show some. So they give you cups for whatever, and then you can have that for that, and then more product for you. Your hand towels are over here.
Yes.
You also have secret drawer with tissues, hair dryer.
Oh, that's where the hair dryer is. I was wondering where the hair dryer was.
And then for everybody's favorite part that they don't even know is their favorite part until Laura shows.
Oh.
That's the magic. Ready for it, folks?
A bidet.
What's that? And what's that?
Can I spray the camera?
They got a butt wash thing.
A bidet.
It's not really a potato.
It's not, but I don't think it's called a butt wash thing either.
I call it a butt wash thing.
Of course you do. Very good.
Right, so
that's a bathroom.
Full-length mirror for when you get
Mirrors are everywhere. So there's one here, and as soon as you come out, that's my stuff. Yes. Yeah. So this is the.
Point out real quick.
Yeah.
The design of the room, as you folks have probably already taken in, that modern gray. It's not like Regent, like with the woods and they went a different way with this, and it's very modern. It's very sleek. You saw this. The sink was whatever you I keep saying the
Modern.
word modern.
Yeah.
So if you like that kind of look, you can love the ship.
Yeah,
The whole ship's that
the
way.
whole ship's that way. So this is your closet, and then lots of storage. Again, you have another full-length mirror right
Oh, I
here.
didn't even know that was there.
Yeah.
Wait, that was an interesting way of doing it. Your flamingo or something. Okay, sorry. And what's a flock of flamingos called?
Flamboyant. Yes, we learned that yesterday in trivia. Your safe here, where you lift up.
Never seen such a thing. That can fit a small laptop.
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah.
Tons of drawer space.
Lots of drawers, yeah. Oh, and they provide 2 umbrellas for you to use, and bathrooms as well.
And we'll get to over there is a set of binoculars, because this is an expedition ship.
Yes, yes. So this goes all over. It can go, because it is ice strengthened, it can go all over the world, Antarctica, Arctic.
More storage.
Yeah.
More mirrors.
More mirrors.
Beds,
so
more closets.
yeah, so we'll go to the bed. So, okay, so this is super interesting. Oh, you want to get in here?
No. Okay, yeah, we can do that.
So on either side of the bed,
Where are my Tums?
they have USB outlets, and I do want to mention that the ship is generally 220 volts. It is European, so the sockets are European. There's one 110 volt outlet on the ship.
It's very what do you call it, tech forward, but for us Americans, you better be bringing a converter if you have a lot of things you need to plug in.
Right.
Because right there is the only 110. However, as you can see, cell phone technology, I can use my typical charger at home.
Right.
In the 220.
Right.
It converts, it does whatever it does, so you're able to use that.
Right.
But don't sue me, because check your label on your, because you may have a different kind of thing. Mine works like that.
So, okay, can I show them the bed?
I showed them the controllers. Now you can explain what
okay, ready?
People have seen these at home, but I've never seen this on a cruise ship.
I've never seen this on a cruise ship. Is it going up?
Look at the buttons. You don't have your glasses on.
Yeah, am I hitting the wrong thing?
Push it and hold that one. Yeah.
Oh, it's going up slowly.
It's very slow. But if you want to sit up in bed, see how it's coming up, folks?
Yeah.
You can sit up in bed.
How cool is that?
And it has six or so different settings. So.
And then.
Huh. Oh my. Okay. Whoa. Oh my God. What are they, mountain climbing? This is the expedition they're on?
You lay.
Okay, all right,
oh, wow, look at that. Really?
You're way
there. Okay, sorry. That was just too funny. Okay.
You're going to leave it like that? Oh, shit. I can't do shit.
Okay, moving on.
Oh, my.
That's awesome. I'm going to try to sleep like that. Okay, so pulling.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is your mini bar setup here. Your butler, Zoran, he came in and he gives you a room tour and explains everything to you, and then asks if you want your mini bar set up, filled with anything. So if you want gin, vodka, scotch, they'll fill that up for you.
What are the bottles next to them?
These are, because we're on an expedition ship, you're going on expeditions. We're about to go on a Zodiac for a wet landing shortly. These are water bottles that you can fill up.
Filling stations around the ship.
At your filling station, yep, exactly. And these are for you to keep at the end of your cruise. So that's pretty neat.
Nice. They've got all the coffee, and they bring 2 waters to your room a couple times a day.
Yep.
But we are actually just a handful of doors down from a lounge, which has another coffee thing, so we haven't used that.
Yep.
But they give you all the fixins that you might want.
Exactly.
They will fill not just the booze up top, but if you want down here,
if you wanted any
sodas,
beer,
put some beers and stuff in there as well.
Yep. Exactly.
So it's very similar to other luxury lines that we've been on.
Yep.
Same idea. They give you all the great stuff for your room. You literally don't have to leave if you want to spend your whole vacation in the room, sitting right there. They'll bring you your food, your coffees, all of it. Anyway, so you saw the outlets. Okay.
Yeah. So
great desk space.
Great desk space. More. I mean, there's so much storage. More storage up there if you need it.
Does this have a light behind us?
I'm sure it does, but there are many buttons, and I've yet to figure out how to use all of them.
That's true. Oh, there's your binoculars.
Oh, the binoculars. Yes, right here.
So that's kind of cool.
Yep, for you to use.
Alaska or Antarctica, whatever you want to see it.
And then this ship is very dedicated to sustainability, so they don't use paper daily planners. So because of that, the daily planner is on your television. If you are a person who is old school and likes the paper daily planner, you can ask your butler and they will give you a copy of one.
And what else is in paper?
What is in paper? Oh, yeah.
Leather
coasters for the water cups. They are not...
Very fancy.
Yeah, they're not paper. So one thing I do want to mention with the TV, which is super amazing, if you pull, the TV can be angled so that you can watch television in your bed if you'd like, which is really neat. And then I'll fix that in a second. The other thing I wanted to mention are these buttons right here.
Please tilt the TV.
Okay.
Anyway, so we can get in there. Okay, so you got the blinds, you have the lounge light, and you have the balcony light.
Right, so if you want the blinds...
I think they understand the lounge light, so we don't have to worry about that, but this is cool. And this is a lot faster, celebrity. Sorry. And
oh, I know.
Less noisy.
Much less.
Than the infinite veranda.
Yes.
So it can be done quiet and quick.
It can.
But it's full blackout too, so
it is full. And then in addition, you also have this curtain here, which...
This guy can be... So you can do double blackout. So it becomes, that's where you get your suite from.
Yeah.
So that you're, don't open them. I'll tell you why. Because I couldn't push them back again because they get jammed up. See? Now, all right, leave it. Let Zoran deal with it. Look at this room now. You got Mount Everest of a bed. You got oh gosh.
The TV won't go. We're good. We're good.
They're gonna come back in and say, "What did they do in 10 minutes?"
So. I haven't laughed this hard in a while. It's because this is a polar class vessel. It's a very heavy door, so you really got to pull. But to get on the balcony,
and it's a great size balcony.
Look at the size of this balcony. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Corners, so you guys can get an appreciation.
Yeah.
Again, they could have given us loungers. It's so.
I would have liked loungers.
And I would have liked. No offense, guys. This I don't know what to do with this little table.
Well,
they could have given us like a real table, a proper table.
I was afraid the beverage when we set them down would just tip over. Yeah. I kind of wish it was like a solid flat surface.
And higher up, so you could have breakfast out here.
Correct. I wish we did have a nice.
We don't want to ding too much because we're really enjoying the ship. But
yes.
There's a couple little things that would be nice if they had a full table.
A full proper table height table.
This is an interesting place right here. Laura and I had never heard of this, and it's the largest island in the Bahamas. It's called St. Andrews or just Andrews?
Andros. Scott.
Everybody always goes to Nassau, but this place is beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Can you lean over the side of the ship?
I can lean over the ship.
And videotape. So those are the zodiacs that you can get on. We're going to be going to Andros Island and doing a wet landing there, kind of like below deck where they set up a beach party for you. That's what they've done here. They set up chairs, a beverage station. They have stand-up paddle boards, snorkeling, you name it. They've basically,
Look at your hands.
Oh, I'm blocking.
Well, just the last second when you started like a New Yorker talking with your hands, you started blocking the view.
So we're really excited to do that. So we're going to be heading out shortly.
Yeah, it's very cool.
And then they also have a marina platform on the back of the ship, which they're also going to be opening up, and you can hop off of the yacht and go swimming in the middle of the ocean as well. So
we're a little perplexed what to call this. It's not quite a ship.
It's a yacht.
It's not quite a boat. It's a yacht.
It's a mega yacht.
It's a super yacht, a mega
yacht. Yeah, it's really fabulous. So I think that I've covered everything on this. Oh, are you?
So heavy.
Okay. So with that,
and then also,
yes.
This here is not just a phone, but it can call.
Oh, all of those. Yes.
So if you, how do I get my butler? I need some coffee. Boom, just hit the butler button, and he comes running.
Yes.
They're never far away. Yes. I don't think it's 24 hours, but he was up late and he was up early.
Yes.
So. But yeah, I think that's the room. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a great room. Very comfortable.
It's great.
We slept well.
Yes. So if you
Sasha's going to end the video. Pillow right in the face. Perfect way to end the video. All right, guys, don't forget to watch the ship tour that we're going to be doing.
Yes.
And like and subscribe to this knuckle. Go ahead. And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye for now.
Guys.